right. Car won't start. Car won't start. The shift cable bushing has been knocked out or broken. It's probably going to require the whole shifter cable to be replaced. Those are pressed into place. So the shifter cable's got to come out to try to fix that. So if we're if we're going to try to replace that, we might as well just do the whole cable. That's the way it's going to work probably if we can get an alternative. But if we get the cable, we'll do the whole cable. But that's the issue. The car won't shift. It won't go into park. Where did I go here?